Should you buy SH Figuarts Spy X Family, Spy Family, or just wait for Figma? Bandai Tamashii Nations recently unveiled pictures of SH Figuarts Loid and Yor completing the entire Spy family, minus Bond, who would probably be a P-Banda. Jokes aside, I'm sure a lot of you are debating on whether to go ahead and pre-order them or just wait for Figma, which will probably offer better face sculpts. In this video, I'm gonna help you make that decision. So if you've been collecting anime action figures for a while, you know that SHF doesn't sculpt anime faces as good as Figma does, and some of you probably want to wait for the latter Spy family releases. But I can actually name multiple reasons as to why you can go for SHF without feeling too bad about it. Reasons that might actually justify your impatience. Joke's on me, I ordered all of them. First, let's talk about the faceplates. Figmas usually just come with a total of 3 faceplates unless you order the exclusive version, which in my country at least is significantly more expensive. Whereas with these SHFs, you get more than just 3. You get more expressive options if you go for SHF. And while the quality definitely does not beat Figma, the quantity might be able to make up for that. Also, out of the 3, only Yor has faces that look a bit off, while Loid and Anya look amazing. And besides, while Yor has faces that look kinda bad, she also has faces that look kinda good. So if you're the type of person who just poses the figure and leaves it like that with just one faceplate on, the best looking faceplate, then Yor might actually be for you. Reason number 2, can you really wait that long? It's probably gonna take many more months or even over a year for Figma to announce Spy Family figures. And on top of that, Figma is notorious for delaying their products. Lately, Figma has been announcing many delays. At this point, it seems like a normal thing for Figma. And while Jujutsu Kaisen has both SHF and Figma, I think it's still too early to say that Max Factory will give Spy Family the same treatment. Third reason, the price. Figma will definitely be more expensive. SHF is actually on the cheaper side. So yeah, you might actually save more money if you go for SHF. Conclusion. Definitely go SHF for Anya and Loid. I think you will have no problem. I'd say there's even a good chance that SHF, Anya, and Loid will be better than their future potential Figma counterparts. As for Yor, I'm actually satisfied with it. However, I'm sure this does not apply to everyone. So you can wait for Figma Yor if you're not satisfied with SHF. Get it? Because like Yor and you're not satisfied. It's still a good joke, okay? Okay. And I also think there's nothing wrong with mixing SHF and Figma up together. Like you can get SHF, Anya, and Loid and then mix them up with Figma Yor in the future. Or if you want, you can even get SHF Loid, Figma Yor, and Nendoroid Anya. I think that would still work. So anyway guys, that's it for the video. I hope I helped you make your decision somehow. You all have a great day or night. Or actually have a great year. Yeah, just have a great year.